Tight.
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 I need the squeeze now.
Squeeze.
Shrink van.
The go-go gadget shrink. Bit gloomy, but it's not snowing because we were a bit worried about that because we are spending the night tonight at the Tan Hill Inn, which is
We're actually looking forward to snow. Not to be snowed in, but you know, snowball fights and stuff like that.
maybe one of us or two of us.
Cooper would definitely like snow.
Two of them were looking forward to snowballs, yeah, definitely. But yeah, so it's at least we can get there, which was my big thing.
Yeah,
because it is the highest pub in England. So yeah, so we're looking forward to that and seeing Dave and Joe. Hey, buddy, how are you doing? Do you like your new bed? Is it good? Yeah. Oh, he's such a sweetie.
Running over the same old ground. What have we found?
Fun karaoke.
Same old thing. Wish you were here. And this is the noise from the wind. As well as this noise, what you're not seeing is the fact that it's like a roller coaster and the van's bouncing around.
We've just spent the night at the Tan Hill Inn, and what a night it was. Pub was fantastic, as always, company was brilliant, and boy was it windy. Just as we got settled in for the night, we got a storm warning on our phones for what was it, between 8 and 9 on the Beaufort scale?
Yeah,
we had to Google that a little bit. Like,
30 to 50 miles an hour?
Yeah, it was at 59. Oh, felt and sounded like 100 miles an hour.
Protected.
So if nature was intending to rock us to sleep, it did not work.
Dave's in his element. Mariner manning, climber man, beer drinker, chip tester, whippet cuddler, campervan man. Extreme Dave. Dangerous Dave. And his whippet. Yay! Bless him.
Closed Monday, closed Tuesday, closed Wednesday.
Dave has found the chippy.
It's Sunday.
I was flying the drone. Can't resist it. It's a lighthouse.
Them's the rules, you see.
And the rules are, you see a lighthouse, you got to fly your drone. So now everyone's cold, and the dogs are cold, and it's all my fault.
No, it's the weather's fault that everyone's cold.
Yeah.
It's the dog's fault that he's cold because he won't stop paddling. Yeah, but at least it's not cold.
Dave went up the lighthouse, and apparently a step broke on him. No evidence. Unfortunately, he didn't take his camera because he's a numpty.
The lighthouse very quickly.
What YouTuber doesn't take his camera when he's going to do something dangerous?
Yeah.
For God's sake.
When he's hanging on because he knows it looks very rusty. It was a loud crack, wasn't it?
It was a very loud crack. It did sound like, yeah, sounded bad. But hopefully the drone shot come out all right. Broke my record, went to 5,200 and something feet. Yeah, crapped myself, so I went in sports mode to fly back as quick as I could. Got to 36 miles an hour, which I think's another speed record for me actually. Dave reckons I should hire myself out, Gadget John for hire. You tell me what you need, I'll bring a bag of gadgets.
Yeah.
So you don't need to buy your own gadgets.
Gadget John for the hour.
Yeah. Like prostitution by technology. So in this very special episode, Christmas special, in a joint Christmas special by Dangerous Dave and his Whippet, the new channel name, and Gadget John on tour, we're in the lakes.
Gadget John on hire.
Gadget John for hire, yeah. We're in the lakes, but before we were in the lakes, we're in Yorkshire, and we're using special gadgets. Everything that we made it in the top 5 of last year we're using. So we've used the Insta360, yeah, 1X. Been filming on the little Osmo Pocket.
And as a complete novice, the top joint one of the drone and the Pocket.
Yep.
Yeah, they're just the best, aren't they?
Yeah.
You don't really need anything else, do you?
Probably not, no. He says using a GoPro because it's got a nice wide angle lens on it. But yeah, pretty good. And for those people out there that commented saying, but you're sponsored by DJI, they provide you with free products. Nope.
If only.
Check my bank account.
But Gadget John on hire is open to all negotiations.
Absolutely. So yeah, wonder if you can tell. You can probably tell by the lens angle. It won't appear fisheye like the GoPro. But yeah, places they've used this, people can't really tell in the restaurants or walking around town centre. So I do like it for that. Although, as Dave has pointed out, the upskirt possibilities, pretty good.
It's an all new market.
Yeah, so that's Dave for you. Dangerous Dave and his upskirt camera channel. Oh, kilt. Well, yeah, because, you know, apparently Dave's not that fussed whichever way, really. the natural habitat of Dangerous Dave. The second natural habitat of Dangerous Dave, the pub.
The elusive Bertolini hiding. Boo!
Thank you. Gadget John,
Well,
version 2.
I'm doing a review of this new gadget called the menu.
The menu.
It's actually printed on paper
Wow.
with plastic laminate.
And how are the special gadget glasses working out for
Pretty
you?
good, pretty good. There's all sorts of numbers and directions and information coming up. Oh my god,
Oh dear.
Mandy and Joe naked.
Never seen that before.
I must have pressed the wrong button.
We are on our way home after a very cold weekend.
It wasn't that cold, it was like 11 degrees. Just nesh.
And just you know why it's cold? It's cold when you're waiting for Mr. Gadget to finish flying his drone, doing 360 stuff. He's got some new toys that do this bullet time thing. So we're all standing around with the dogs and Coop's just been paddling to his heart's content in reasonably cold winds. So we've all been cold while he's been happy as a pig in duty. So but now, lovely weekend, found the most amazing campsite, and I'm not going to tell you the name because if I do, everyone's going to go there.
Really?
Yeah. You might put a little link in maybe, I don't know, but it's relatively new. It's only been going for about 3 years, and we got to stay on one of their brand new hard standings because they didn't have any electric for it yet, so people weren't taking up on it, but of course we don't need it, and neither do Dave and Joe, so it's been really nice, right on the beach, dog friendly beach, really nice bistro that we found, and we were going to try some other places, but we just couldn't fault it, so we went 3 times to the same place.
But at each time it was a different time of the day and they served different types of food.
Yep, so we got the standard Saturday lunch first time,
Like
and then
and stuff, wasn't it? Snacks and sandwiches.
yep, and then they had a pizza menu on for tea, so we went for the pizza menu, and then today was Sunday roast day, so yeah, it's been quite long, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But lovely place. We really looked out finding that. Joe was doing some searching, did some, managed to find that from nowhere, which was fantastic little find. And apart from that, we've just been driving around and walking around, and it's been lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Fabulous.
So, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. Hope it's a great year for you, 2019.
Yep.
Just one short of 2020.
Yeah, the
Not
roaring
like perfect
20s.
vision.
Oh dear.
Anyway.
And on that note, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.